APECOIN shot in prominence essentially as a result of its relationship with the Bored Ape Yacht Club line of NFTs. The Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Mutant Ape Yacht Club are two of the best NFTs clubs in all-time history. This makes them more significant than your typical NFTs assortment on the lookout. With the prominence of the Bored Ape Yacht Club set to develop, the ubiquity of APECOIN is probably going to increment too. In any case, it isn't just about being related with one of the most well-known NFT assortments. There is a harmonious connection among APECOIN and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Whenever APECOIN goes up in esteem, it additionally elevates the business volumes of the Bored Ape NFTs. The converse additionally holds for a large portion of APECOIN's short history on the lookout. The interest for Bored Ape NFTs stays high because of different superstar buys and supports. This makes APECOIN a high possible cryptographic money to purchase now, with great possibilities for esteem development going into what's to come. With respect to effective financial planning, high market covers will generally be favorable. That is on the grounds that the market is immersed with over 10k digital forms of money, and many of them enter the market every day. The most terrible part is that an immense piece of the new contestants are either inside and out tricks or siphon and dump plans. APECOIN is one of only a handful of exceptional new cryptographic forms of money that have entered the market as of late and acquired a sufficiently high market cap. While it sent off in March 2022, in a couple of long periods of exchanging, it had developed to become one of the main 40 digital currencies by market capitalization. It actually holds this position. Other than the perceivability that it gives APECOIN, this high market cap likewise provides APECOIN with a component of validity, according to financial backers. This implies once financial backer certainty completely gets back to the market, APECOIN will be among the cryptographic forms of money that financial backers will view as alluring as ventures. Over the most recent couple of years, there has been a flood in Ethereum contenders, a considerable lot of them offering better measurements like versatility and low expenses. In any case, the Ethereum biological system proceeds to develop, and Ethereum-based tokens like APECOIN have the edge over tokens housed in the Ethereum contenders. One of the benefits that APECOIN gets from running on the Ethereum blockchain is liquidity. Other than the ordinary unified trades, a ton of digital money exchanging happens in decentralized trades. The very best decentralized trades in the market today, going from Uniswap to SushiSwap, run on the Ethereum blockchain. That is an or more for ERC20 tokens like APECOIN. Simultaneously, different stablecoins run on the Ethereum blockchain. This further implies that financial backers can without much of a stretch exchange APECOIN for any of them, making it considerably more fluid and an appealing resource for financial backers. The absolute biggest digital forms of money and DeFi additionally run on the Ethereum blockchain. This implies there are heaps of chances for financial backers to put resources into their APECOIN and procure a recurring automated revenue. Obviously, being an ERC20 symbolic makes APECOIN one of the most mind-blowing cryptographic forms of money to put resources into today. The benefits that the Ethereum blockchain presents upon APECOIN are expanded by the way that APECOIN is well known by its own doing, on account of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Back in April, APECOIN energized after catching wind of the Otherside metaverse. The FOMO around the Otherside metaverse saw APECOIN ascend to turn into the biggest metaverse digital money. While the cost has since dropped, the Otherside metaverse actually gives APECOIN an edge as one of the most amazing metaverse digital currencies in the market today. This is nothing to joke about thinking about that the metaverse is one of the region in the digital money market expected to record the most development going into what's in store. A few examiners even anticipate that the metaverse should be worth trillions of dollars by 2030. As one of the most famous metaverse digital currencies, APECOIN's chances for development are essentially boundless. For example, the metaverse is acquiring reception in the computer game space, and any semblance of a Shanfinity are driving the way. With Yuga Labs expected to get into computer games through the Otherside metaverse, APECOIN is set to give Sandbox, a Shanfinity, and other metaverse digital currencies a run for the cash. It makes APECOIN one of the top metaverse digital currencies to put resources into today in anticipation of a flood popular for P2E gaming. Many new cryptographic forms of money are sent off day to day. However, numerous with extraordinary tech never build up forward momentum on the lookout. That is on the grounds that they don't have a sufficiently enormous local area to drive mindfulness on the lookout. In a market as immersed as crypto, the local area is everything. Those with solid networks every step of the way will generally flourish, no matter what the strength of their utilization cases in the underlying stages. To find out about how significant the local area is, consider that Shiba Inu, an image coin, went from being a joke to giving financial backers gains of more than 48 million% in less than an extended time of send-off. All in all, how does APECOIN fare with regards to local area backing? Indeed, APECOIN is one of a handful of the cryptographic forms of money with solid local area backing right from when it hit the market. This was all on account of its relationship with the Bored Ape Yacht Club (BAYC) line of NFTs. The BAYC has been one of the most famous NFTs for some time now, and when APECOIN went live, it immediately acquired the local area. With additional financial backers now mindful of BAYC and APECOIN than at any other time, new cash will probably keep streaming into what's to come. This is probably going to emphatically impact the interest elements of APECOIN. It makes APECOIN one of the most underestimated NFT digital currencies to purchase at current costs. APECOIN holders can't decide on Yuga Labs choices. By holding APECOIN, you don't pursue choices at Yuga Labs, the association that is behind the entire Bored Ape NFTs environment. This implies you are as yet working in the outskirts while putting resources into APECOIN. That's what the gamble is, assuming Yuga Labs settles on troublesome choices, it could influence the worth of APE tokens. While there is no motivator for Yuga Labs to do something like this, it is as yet a gamble you ought to consider. APECOIN is attached to Ethereum. Like any remaining ERC20 tokens, there is a gamble that assuming that the worth of Ethereum goes down, it could pull the remainder of the market with it. Since Ethereum is an unpredictable digital currency like some other out there, it is a gamble that each APECOIN financial backer ought to have as a primary concern. It is likewise why a financial backer ought to deal with having a more differentiated cryptographic money portfolio. There are heaps of high-potential digital currencies that one can hold close by APECOIN, expanding the chances of long-haul achievement. Is APECOIN a good cryptocurrency to buy now? The response is yes. APECOIN is one of the most incredible cryptographic forms of money to purchase today. APECOIN sent off with a ton of exhibition and became one of the most mind-blowing cryptographic forms of money in Q1 of 2022.